Here's my local creek. It's nice living next to a creek. Right next to my home. So nice. And then there's a colour here. I spot something so amazing that it looks just like the marshmallows, except you can't eat them. How cute is that? It's like a little fairy garden. Oh man, they look so good. It's like a little playground, just for little fairies. There's some more pretty looking mushrooms. Wow! With some funny looking designs on them. It's like a flower design. It's so pretty. Looking at the details. Oh, there's a love heart. Isn't it gorgeous? Love that. Click.
I know we're falling down occasionally, yeah, just going down.